Hello everybody, this is Stonewall, and I've got a pretty good gameplay for you today. This is Black Ops 3, and I'm running my pistol only and no perks. I was actually working on the camo challenges for the MR6, and obviously this is in theater mode, so some of the shots might appear a little bit off just because of the lag compensation and the difference between my connection and the host. So, let's jump into this.
Weapons free.
This is just a team deathmatch game. Come around the corner. This guy's pretty good with that shotgun, and I kind of catch him here in just a second. So I figured I could tell he was in the building here, so I look, and I figure he's hiding, so I throw a flash. This is where it's good to have a headset. By the way, I'm not using any kind of modded controller, no aim assist, besides what's in the game. I've got a pretty good trigger finger. That's what makes the Shiva so frustrating for me to use, because I love being able to outgun people with semi-autos. There was melee systems. And this probably made him mad. He probably should have had me because he had already hit me once. At this point I'm not sure where they're spawning because I know a lot of my teammates are on the other side of the map. So I was just not sure where to move. Through the window. And that looked a little bit further off than what it was in-game, just because of the theater mode.
Establish perimeter at 10,000 feet AGL.
Probably should have had that one, but my accuracy was just off. At this point, I've already got all my headshot kills, so I'm going for no perk kills and long shots. That's part of the reason I keep checking that line of sight. Like right there, no shot. Check. At this point, I'm 7-2.
Down.
That's the thing when you're running a pistol, you do have to figure out. Well, really, any weapon, you got to figure out when to just leave a gunfight alone. I still need to work on it sometimes.
Be advised, hostile UAV incoming.
And there's the other shotgun. Looks like he got a double kill with me and my teammate. And I got revenge. That one made me feel pretty good, even after getting flashed. Nice assist. You can see where the explosion's coming from. Teammates shooting over the truck.
Battery is ashes. Nomad down.
I start racking up a few long shots working on my challenges here. Notice I'm coming through this line over here on this side of the map, so decided to change it up a bit. Teammate guy.
UAV. Wait the turn. Sensors have captured your objective.
Care package on standby.
The biggest thing with the Purifier is the range of it. And sometimes, you know, whenever I'm going up against somebody who's using it, it feels like a really long range,
TACOM,
but it's
get
not
me a care package.
really that long. And then there is, you know, a delay. Once you hit them once, they will die, but several times I've been able to kill people who had set me on fire. And there's the trick. So I almost set up the sentry gun on this line of sight. I don't know why I decided not to do that. I know that guy's sitting right there. Also got a guy in the barn behind me. He just went down the steps.
On my base.
UAV ready for deployment.
Fire the turret. Sensors are capture your objective.
I think we're playing Ring Around the Rosie here. So you can see the attachments I've got on it is the Hilo sight, high caliber, and long barrel. Mainly because I was going for the long shots with those. And I was trying to get pistol kills, but I kind of ran out of ammo. So calling in my lightning strike. And I know there's little tricks you can do to bring up the targeting menu and then put it back and wait a few minutes so they don't have as much time to prepare. But I was just using it to get it on the camera. Got 2 kills with it, not bad.
It's 5.
Hostile HCXD spotted.
Purifier, you know?
Friendly HCXD inbound.
So it's not quite purely pistol only. And there I started sprinting, I should have just waited. That sprint will get you in big trouble, even with some of those, or especially with some of the specialist weapons.
Win this fight.
And there's my 10th long shot to get that camo. It's 10 kills left.
Friendly UAV inbound.
That's a kill.
The pistol fire rate always looks kind of funny
She's
whenever you
gone.
watch it back in theater mode. Like it fires faster than the animation. It's kind of strange. Of course, when you watch it back, you always see stuff that you missed earlier.
Report KIA.
I know I don't need headshots, but why not? And of course behind me. And there's the end. Alright. And theater mode does some weird stuff at the end, but there it is, 35 and 7 pistol only. This is Stonewall. I'll see you in another video.